Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Here in this online class session, I will proceed further with the chapter Financial Statement 1. Okay, just look over the written portion. Cost of goods sold, COGS. What is the cost of the goods which were sold by the firm in the market? Okay. The formula for calculating the cost of the goods sold, that is the cost of manufacturing the goods, is opening stock plus net purchases. Net purchases means purchase minus purchase return, plus direct expenses. The expenses which are incurred in order to manufacture the product are known as direct expenses. For example, wages, carriage involved, freight involved, import duty, etc. minus closing stock of the raw material. Right? Now, on the basis of the same formula, we are going to solve one question from here. Ascertain cost of goods sold and gross profit from the following. Okay. Figures which are required are opening stock, purchases, direct expenses, closing stock. Okay, in order to find the cost of goods sold. Indirect expenses will not be treated in this formula. Okay, these are the indirect expenses which are posted in the PL account, profit and loss account, in order to just find out or calculate the net profit. So ignore this indirect expenses. Okay, opening stock is 32,000. Okay, it is 32,000. Look over the written portion also. Okay, purchase is 2,80,000. Direct expense is 20,000 and the closing stock is 50,000. Okay, let's see. Right, you can take the screenshot of the same also. Right, after just putting the values, we are getting the answer 2,80,000 as cost of goods sold, COGS. Now, gross profit. What is gross profit? Gross profit formula is net sales minus COGS. Okay, whatever is the selling price of the product, just subtract the cost which was incurred in order to manufacture the product. When you subtract the cost of manufacturing the good from the selling price, then the intermediate profit, that is a profit in between the selling price and the COGS, will be the answer. Okay, net sales, likewise net purchase minus purchase return. Net sales also means sales minus sales return. Okay, right. See the sales figure. Sales is 4 lakh and sales return is 8,000. Just subtract both of them. You will get the answer 3,92,000. Subtract COGS from here. You will get 1,10,000 as gross profit. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. Question number 3, which you can see here. Right. Okay. That's all for today. Right. If you have any problem, just try to solve the question from the book you are having. Okay. Right, that's all for today. Have a nice day.